Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Android version and confirming the launcher supports dynamic wallpapers. Open Settings and go to Apps to grant storage and wallpaper permissions to the app you'll use. Once done, pick the folder or image source, local photos, cloud, or an app plugin, so the system can access files. Make sure battery optimization won't stop background services. Now open your chosen wallpaper app and proceed to create a rotation or schedule profile. We'll configure timing next. You now choose the image source inside the app, a specific folder, an album, or a curated online feed. Then set the rotation interval, for example every 1 hour or daily, so the wallpaper changes automatically. Make sure to enable shuffle if you want random order and configure transition effects and image scaling to fit your screen. Once configured, enable the app's background service or accessibility option if required. After that, test by forcing an immediate change to verify settings are applied. You finish by applying the wallpaper set to home and slash or lock screen and confirming the schedule is active. Make sure the app is whitelisted from battery optimization so the background task runs reliably. If images don't change, check permissions again, clear the app cache, and verify the source folder still contains files. If problems persist, restart the device or reinstall the app. That often resets services. Remember to test overnight or across a day to confirm the automatic rotation behaves as.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.